Everyone, in this video, let's walk through how to create, manage and use the contact tags inside the panel. So basically tags allow you to label chats based on the status, priority and the context. This makes it easier to filter the conversations, track the progress and collaborate with your team. First, let's see how you can create a new tag. For that, you can see an option on the left hand side in the live chat. You will click on add tag. From the top right, click on add tag, give your tag a name. So you have to make sure that the tag name clearly defines the purpose of the tag. Next, you can configure the color for your tag. You can either select it from the predefined colors over here, or you can enter a custom hex color code to match your internal workflow or brand theme. So let's select it from the predefined one. Then you can preview your tag from here. And once everything looks good to you, you will click on add. It may take up to few seconds for it to load for the tag to get created. So this is done over here. You can either delete it if it is not required, or you can edit it from here also. You can easily update the tag names, change the colors or remove tags when they are no longer needed, keeping your workspace clean and organized. Once done, click on save changes. So let's see how you can apply tag to a chat. First, you will open the conversation. From here, click on the three-dot menu. Click on update tags. Choose the tag that you want to add. And after that, you will click on save changes. So we can see that the tag has been applied successfully. You can also add tags such as done, closed, unread. You can pause the automations from here. Then you can archive the chat or even transfer conversations to another team member while keeping the tags inactive. So this ensures full visibility and context even when the chats move between teams. So using tags will help your team to respond faster, stay organized and never miss an important conversation. They are especially useful for sales pipeline, customer support tracking and leads follow-ups, making your daily operations more efficient and structured. So that's how you can create, manage and use the contact tags in the panel. Start using tags today to streamline your conversation and improve your team productivity. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.